Good morning. I am Dr. Mahadevan Ayakanas, working as Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, Bannoor. Welcome to the E-Content Development Program created by Department of Collegiate Education, Government of Karnataka. The program is Bachelor of Commerce, BCom, subject Principles of Marketing, semester 2nd semester, University of Mysore, and the session is 27. Session 27 consisting of principles for holding an event. What are all the principles must be followed while we making an event? The session consisting of a recap, learning objective, learning outcomes, introduction, principles for holding an event, summary, conclusion, MCQs and references. We have discussed in the previous session about event management. The learning objective of the session is to know the principles for holding an event. After learning the session, you will be able to know the principles for holding an event. This may be a session outcome. Let us see what you mean by principles for holding an event. An event is an integral part for everyone's lives and all want to enjoy their event without any stress. But it is hard for anyone when you are managing the event as well. There is no doubt planning an event is a stressful one process. If we plan any one event, then it will be one of the stressful. Even when we plan one of the event in our colleges or in our home, you can see there is a stress from starting point of view of the program and ending point of the view. Up to completing that particular task, we will be in a stressful manner. But don't worry at all. We are here for event management so that you can cheer without a headache. So we can give one of the event to the event management personalities. So they will share 5 basic principles for successful of event management. Let us see what are all the basic principles of event management. The first one is event objectives. What is the purpose of event? What experience or feel do you want people to have? Planning an event is impossible without clear objectives. A clear understanding of objectives can be a key of successful event management. The second one is budget planning. The second most principle of event management after deciding the objectives, budget planning. Budget management minimizes the risk while delivering a great event. Easy with unlimited funds, but great management is required to produce an event within a constrained budget. Know your target audience. The event can be of any type. If you are doing a product launch event, then you must identify the target audience of the product. It is vital to know so that you can build an event around them, because it must be your event object to aware the audience about a product. Timeliness, determining what has to happen and when. Any large event involves complex time management, scheduling and coordination of other people's activity, such as catering, digital and technological setup, and venue preparation. Timeliness is another important key factor for event management. Place selection or venue selection. Importance of finding the right venue should not be underestimated. This involves research, contract and cost negotiation, and building working relationship. Manage suppliers. Efficient manage of all the suppliers, ensuring they fulfill their roles on time and within budget is essential for the success of the event. Managing suppliers is very, very important. Marketing and communication. It is never a case of you build it, they will come. Delivering an audience requires marketing, the promise of what the event will deliver. In today's world, this involves various channels across direct mail, social media, and digital marketing. These are some of the marketing and communication principles needed for holding an event. Thinking sustainably. Making decision is an event management process that considers the social and environmental impact. We must think sustainability. Managing risk. Events management is complex as having many elements contributing to an event means multiply possibility points of failure, understanding what the risks are, the likelihood of each one arising strategies to minimize the risk and developing a robust contingency plan in the event of problem is a non-negotiable task in event management. Backup plan is important. If you are planning any event, you must have a backup plan for the contingency. Summarizing the session, event management company is expected to follow certain steps which lays down the path to reach the vision or mission based on the policies being framed. Identification objective is the first conclusion part, planning of events, service requirements, tapping of skilled employees, and job description. These are the some of the requirement procedure in generals to be borne in mind before holding an event management. What is event management? The MCQ question. A clear understanding of objective can be the key of successful event management. What is thinking? Sustainability. Taking care about the social and environmental factor is one of the impact. What is venue selection? Place is the important one. A right place should not be underestimated in this part because cost negotiation and building work relationship will be followed by the venue selection. The references of the books for the content development is Marketing Management by Philip Kotler, Pillai Bhagavati, Rajan Saxena, Marketing Research by G.C. Perry. Thank you all, one and all.